Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Halloween word puzzle, word search puzzle using software called Word Search Printer, which you can download from wordsearchprinter.com. This is the initial screen of the software. I click Create New Word Search Project. I now have a choice of what kind of puzzle I'd like to create. I start with a blank one, enter my own word list for the puzzle, or I can use a predefined list of words. For example, if I go to geography, I have a list of countries and capitals. If I go to history, there is various options here. Holidays, it's got 4th of July, Christmas, so it actually has got a Halloween word list on there, but I'm going to make my own one from scratch. So if I go back to simple and choose blank, I either double click on it or make sure it's selected and click OK. And now I'm ready to start typing my words. So I'm going to type in some words related to Halloween for my word puzzle. So let's have ghost, ghoul, phantom, spell, magic, October, and so on. You can see here, every time I type in a word, it's generating a new puzzle based on my new word list. Let's put in haunted, perhaps another one. You'll see it regenerates. I can change the puzzle size. It's also possible to modify the shape. Obviously the puzzle needs to be big enough to fit all the words in, so if I make a really short one, these longer words like phantom don't fit into a 6x6 puzzle, so let's go back to 8x8 in this particular case. And if I use the update button, I can keep changing it until I get a layout of the puzzle that I'm happy with. Let's say I'm happy with that particular example. I can also, you'll notice here some of the words go from right to left and diagonally and so forth. There are options in the software, so you can only limit the number of directions that words can appear in, which can be quite useful if you want to make an easier puzzle, perhaps for children or something like that. And you can make the shapes vary. If you visit the website wordsearchprinter.com, you can see some examples of that. I can also preview the puzzle. I'm looking at the solution at the moment. I can preview the puzzle without the answers. Put the solution back on. You can use a format menu to change the colours or the layout of the puzzle. And I can also, when I'm happy with the puzzle, I can save it and I can reload it and all that good stuff. And I can print it. If I do print preview, you'll see on screen what the printout would look like. This is useful for using the puzzles in a classroom situation, perhaps to practice spelling or an end of term activity or something like that. So the first page here of the printout is the actual puzzle there. You can see the word haunted. The next page is the word list, and the third page is the solution. And you can use, if you go into the print dialog box, you can use the normal functions in Windows to determine the number of copies and the range of pages to print, but I'll cancel that. What you can also do in the software is you can use this option here, copy, to copy the puzzle or the solution or the word list or all three of them one after another and paste them into another program like a word processor or a publishing program. So it's a very useful tool if you're creating a magazine or a newspaper or some kind of publication where you want to include these puzzles, or you just want to include the puzzle as part of a page of your own design rather than use a preset printout. So the software is called Word Search Printer. The website is wordsearchprinter.com. The software is compatible with all recent versions of Windows on the PC. If you go to the website, you can download a free trial version, which you can try it and see how you like for free. And if you like the software, you can upgrade to the full version, which allows you to do everything you've seen in this video and a lot more besides. Software is called Word Search Printer. Wordsearchprinter.com is the website. So go and have a look, see what you think. Thank you very much.